guys, this is the car hunting vlog. Now we are riding the Kia Sorento full SUV. This is the 7-seater car. Hey everyone, welcome back with me Ramya Ramkumar. Today I'm going to take you on my journey of car hunting. I recently decided that it's time for me to upgrade my ride and I'm so excited to share the process with you. Let's get into the vlog. First thing is first, I had to decide what type of car I was looking for. I have done a lot of research on what I want. I need something that's reliable, fuel efficient, and has enough space to fit all of my gear for my weekend adventures. So I decided to check out a local dealership that had some great reviews. I had a list of 4 potential cars that I was interested in, and I made appointments with dealerships and wanted to check out of each of the cars on my list. When I started my car hunting process, I first went to the Nissan dealer and checked out the Rogue. I was initially drawn to the Rogue because of its reputation for being a reliable and practical compact SUV, and I heard good things about its fuel efficiency and overall performance. I was impressed by the Rogue's spacious and comfortable interior, which was perfect for my family's needs. I also had a great infotainment system, which included features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that would make it easy to stay connected while on the go. I also appreciate the emphasis on technology with features like the touchscreen display and Bluetooth connectivity. The salespeople were friendly and helpful, answering all of my questions and giving me a brochure to take home. Overall, I found 2 cars of Nissan Rogue, red and blue color of the latest model. We decided to take it for a test drive.
You do have a lot of safety features on this one and the other one. Now you have blind spot warnings located here, and it's on the other side. It's number 1. It's in manual now, mode. So you have to press the button. We use the paddle shift to change gears. Now to go into
I felt the Nissan Rogue is spacious and comfortable interior, excellent fuel efficiency and solid handling. And I also like the Rogue's sleek and modern design as well as its advanced technology features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. After visiting the Nissan dealership, I decided to check out the Kia Sorento as well. When I walked into the Kia showroom, I was immediately struck by the sleek and modern design of the Sorento. It had a sporty and stylish exterior that really caught my eye.
And it's only for summer.
Why marke?
Like an electric cord is moving so fast. And it's the same color.
எடுத்துக்கலாமா 7 சீட்டரு
சீட்டு செமையா இருக்கு.
மைல்ஸ் பர் கேலன் கம்மியாக இருக்கு.
Kia Sorento was so spacious and comfortable interior. It had plenty of legroom and headroom even in the third row, which would be great for long road trips. Hey guys, this is Kia Sorento 7-seater car. It also had a lot of advanced technology features like a touchscreen display, a 360-degree camera system, and a wireless smartphone charging that made it feel like a luxury car. During the test drive, I was impressed by the Sorrento's handling and responsiveness, and we had a smooth and comfortable ride. However, one area where the Sorento fell a bit short was fuel efficiency. It wasn't quite as good as the Rogue. Overall, I was really impressed by the Kia Sorento, and I think it would be a great choice for someone who values spaciousness and technology features in their compact SUV.
The one then call it Celtics.
Sultan is a different Kia car.
Oh, that's why.
What's the smell?
I know, but the back's no fun.
Moving on to our next dealer is Honda. When I walked into the Honda showroom, the CRV was prominently displayed. When we were test driving the Honda CRV, we made a mistake by choosing 2020 model used car, so we didn't know about any latest updates of 2023. One area where the CRV fell a bit short was its technology features. It did have a touchscreen display and Bluetooth connectivity, but didn't feel quite as advanced or user-friendly as the infotainment systems in the Rogue or Sorento. However, we have been using Honda Civic for almost 10 years now. It's time to change, and we wanted to try something new and different. Hey guys, this is the last drive in my old car. This is the Honda Civic 2012 model. So it's my last drive. Bye. We finally found the perfect car for us, the Nissan Rogue. Overall, my car hunting adventure was a bit of roller coaster ride, but I learned a lot about what I was looking for and what to avoid. I hope this vlog was helpful for anyone who is currently in the market for a new car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
समर्पयामि दशांगम गुगलम दोपम